Now let's do gluteus together. Try to open the foot shoulder length. You can widen the toe 45 degrees and slowly bend down the knee if you feel. When exhale, you bend down. So try the point 45 degrees. Tuck in your core. Don't just like this. Maybe I will from here. Tuck in the don't add the low back like this. You will pain your back. Try to low, tuck in, straighten 45 degrees and bend down. Bend down, wider. Try also from here square. Yes, and put. If for better way, you can always use with the wall. Like support. 45 degrees. Don't too close the wall. You will too narrow. Make a bit spray. Like 4-5 cm from here. So you try to wider and slowly with exhale lower down. When you feel straighten, if you feel more challenging, you can bend down more and try to zip up, open the chest. Yes, you can hand pump on the knee or the prayer posture, or else you can 90 degrees like this. Yes. Yes, this is how we do the correct way the gluteus. Once again, step to the left side of the mat. Prayer posture, wider, so toe 45 degrees, and slowly bend down. Yes, try to lengthening the body. And slowly go to prayer posture and step back.